Hello and welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Orina. After an explosive report in the Times of India on all aspects of the Asagaon house demolition and grave allegations made against the DGP Jaspal Singh, unsigned copies of the report were available on social media, to which many reacted. The report was purportedly submitted to the Goa Chief Secretary Puneeth Kumar Goyal. Anjuna PI Prashal Desai has alleged that the DGP Jaspal Singh had pressurized Anjuna police to help Mumbai resident and a senior intelligence officer's wife, Pooja Sharma, to get the Agarwadekar's property vacated. When confronted with the allegations, the DGP directed the press to the PRO, who incidentally is SP Crime Branch. PRO stated the report was unsigned and still to be verified.
The Asagaon demolition case is getting murkier and murkier. The alleged naming of the DGP by the Anjuna PI is absolutely shocking and has cast a mega shadow on the highest echelons of the police, acting as land mafia. Here are the 5 damning paragraphs in the Anjuna PI's report that expose Goa DGP's alleged direct involvement in the demolition of the Asagaon house and his complicity with Pooja Sharma and forcing junior cops to obey his illegal orders. Paras 7 and 8 read, once the undersigned, along with SDPO Mapsa Sandesh Chodankar had attended the meeting with DGP Goa. DGP Goa had discussed regarding purchase of the said property by Mrs. Pooja Sharma and directed us to help her in vacating the said house. On 22nd June 2024, I received a phone call from DGP Goa informing that the party of Pooja Sharma will come at Asagaon and told us to help them. Para 11 of the report reads, I received a phone call from DGP Goa asking me why the work of the demolition of the house has been stopped. DGP Goa started shouting on me and told me that anyhow the work of the demolition of the house should be started and if any person is obstructing it then to lift them from the spot and to bring them at the police station. Para 17 of the report reads, I again received a phone call from DGP Goa that anyhow the work of the demolition of the house must take place and told me that they will again start the work of the demolition and no one should stop the said work. DGP Goa was continuously pressuring me to allow Mr. Arshad Khwaja to continue demolition work of the house. He also threatened me to start the work within 10 minutes, otherwise to get ready to face the consequences if the work is not completed. Para 23 of the report read, he also informed me that Mrs. Pooja Sharma is the owner of the said property and no cognizable offence was made out into the complaint of Preensha Agrawalekar and hence there was no need to take action into her complaint. In Para 29, P.I. Desai has written, on 24th June, I visited the office of DGP Goa wherein he started shouting at me for not allowing Mr. Arshad Khwaja to complete the demolition work of the house. He also started threatening me to initiate high-level committee against me as I had not allowed Mr. Arshad Khwaja to demolish full house as he was doing it legally. He also threatened me saying that, if he is also transferred from Goa, whenever he will be posted he will book a case under NDPS Act and he will falsely record statement of that accused that he is doing drug trade in connivance with P.I. Anjuna police station and will frame me in the said case. Bureau Report Herald TV.
Crime Branch claimed that the document that alleges involvement of the Goa DGP in the Asagaon demolition case is unverified and unsigned and therefore premature. We will have to check if the document has been submitted to the Chief Secretary. Crime Branch will conduct the inquiry according to the facts. More accused are involved in the matter. Expect more arrest, SP Crime Branch, Rahul Gupta said.
Also, as you are also aware, the one more matter which has come to light since morning is that there is a news report going on that one officer has alleged role of seniors in this process. I just want to highlight that it's a document which is unsigned and unnamed document. I had also received this document. It is unsigned and unnamed document. And at this stage, it is very premature to draw conclusions from that document. And still, we are conducting investigation, and as and when something comes up, we will inform you.
Is that fake document is circulating?
I cannot comment on that right now. Again, that I cannot comment on the veracity of that document, right? So we are conducting our own investigation. SIT we had established a society of 4 members. It is looking into all aspects, and based on emerging facts, we will call people and we will see what can be done.
The family has said they will withdraw the complaint. So will that have a bearing on?
So based on this complaint withdrawal matter, we had received a copy of affidavit from the complainant, and I guess I got to know today also they have given some statement. I'll check what statement they have given. But as the things stand, we will call them today again for the supplementary statement under 161 CRPC. And based on the content of the statement, what they allege, that will be included in the investigation, and we'll see what action to take. Right now, we are focusing on the people who did this demolition of the house, and we are trying to catch them.
Advocate Prasad Desai said the investigation into the Agarwadekar's house demolition case is proceeding in the wrong direction. The police are under pressure, especially Anjuna PI Prashal Desai and others who have been suspended. It was bad to suspend him. He said there was no pressure on the family. However, the daughter of the house said the family was under a lot of pressure but would not name anyone. When faced with a barrage of questions from the media on her flip-flops, Prinsha Agarwadekar burst into tears and was flabbergasted.
The police बापडे suspend. The police were seriously under pressure. हांव 6 म्हयनेसून घेवन येता कोण फायल घेवपाक तांकां ते बापडे हेल्प करपाक आमकां दिसताले तांकां स्पेशली PI प्रशाल देसाई म्हाका तांकां फायल करपाक दिसताले घेवपाक दिसताले तांकांय दिसताले खंय तरी गोंयकाराचेर अत्याचार जाता पूण दबावान खाली ते घेवपाक पावले ना तर हांव कितें म्हणटा आतां ताका सस्पेंड करप ही खरी एक वायट गजाल घडल्या तर हें सगळें अशें जावचें न्हू रायट डायरेक्शनान जे इन्वेस्टिगेशन वयचें अशें म्हणून आमी एक अटेम्प्ट केल्लो सो हे अटेम्प्टा फाटल्यान आमकां इतलें हें जालें की तुमी 6 कोटी खाल्ले काय तुमी इतले कोटी खाल्ले काय तुमी पयशे घेतले काय पुजा सर अशें म्हणून आमकां आतां नाकाच जाल्लें हें सगळें कितें इतलें एलिगेशन आमी म्हणलें बाबा तुमी रीण काडा खंय आनी हें रेडी करून तुमी कशा भशेन सुशेगाद रावा इतले पर्यंत आमची ही परिस्थिती जाल्ली आमचे प्रेशर एब्सोल्युटली कांय प्रेशर ना आमकां काय दिसलें की हें सगळें वायट गजाल घडटा अशी घडणुकी घडपाक जायना तांचेर येवन जेन्ना 6 कोटी खाले 2 कोटी कोणें कांय पयशे खावना कोणेच आमी अजून पुजा शर्मा पळोवना म्हाका जर तिणेय कडनं पुजा शर्मा कोण म्हणटा ती पळोवना पूण आमकां खबर आसा की एक्झॅक्टली दिस इज अ मॅटर आतां पळय इन्वेस्टिगेशन एजन्सीन अरेस्ट केलो त्या मनशाक विचारलें काय बाबा तुवें खरेंच पुजा शर्मान तुका सांगला काय म्हणून मोड बाउन्सर हाड म्हणून विचारलें काय ना हे कोणाक खबर ना
कोणाचो प्रेशर आसा व्हिडिओ ऑफ रेकॉर्ड घे ओय प्रेशर आहा ताका लागून आमकां कोणाचो प्रेशर तेंच्यांनी आमकां प्रेशर घातला कोणी यू आर ट्राइंग टू सेव देम पया किरे म्हणून प्रेशर पत्तो आलो प्रिया शर्मा काय पूजा शर्मा घातला पूजा शर्मा ताका लागून आमी आता 2 दीस जाले आमकां कांयच कळना किरे करू आनी किरे म्हणून किरे सांगता खऱ्यांनी सांगता किरे प्रेशर घातला शाण्या तू सांग मगो तुका खबर आसा सगळे मागीर हे तुम्ही लिपोवन दवरून जेन्ना आखी
फाटी या न्हू
अरे टोटल टार्गेट बिना फाटी अरे बंटी तू राव मरे पुढे
तू कसलो प्रेशर आता आम्ही सांग ना कोणे प्रेशर घातला मातसो सांगा अरे तू सांग मॅडम तू सांग अरे यार ए माशा फाटी या मरे बरेच
ना अरे कशे
कोणे राव एक मिनिट एक राव नितीश राव मॅडम मातशें सांग तुवें आतां म्हटलें तुमकां प्रेशर येयलो फॅमिली कसलो प्रेशर येयलो कसलो प्रेशर बस नाही बस हा बाय बस कोण
आम्ही तुमका
नाही इतलेच सांगा मॅडम की तुमका कोणाचो प्रेशर येयला आता तुम्ही म्हटला न्हू तुमका प्रेशर ब्रेक घे सोकोटी घेतला पैसे घेतला सर इतलेच सांगा कोणाचो प्रेशर
पैसे घेतला म्हणून ना It's a not allegation rumors ते आम्ही क्लॅरिफाय करी
किती आता क्लियर करा न्हू तुम्ही तुमका आता म्हणता तुम्ही सोकोटी घेऊ ना कोणे घेऊ ना ते झालं पैशांचो हिशोब सब
There has been a plethora of strong reactions to the alleged involvement of high-ranking police official in the Asagaon case. There are widespread reactions of raising the issue in Parliament by the South Goa MP to relieving the DGP of Goa and probing the case thoroughly to utter shock about the complexity of the case.
आता जेन्ना बोवाळ जालो हो सगळो तेन्ना 22 तारखेक हे डेमोलिशन जालें. 22 तारखेक सगळी FIR जाली रजिस्टर. आनी जर तो इन्क्वायरी रिपोर्ट जर ताणें जो स्टेटमेंट दिला आनी PI प्रशालान चीफ सेक्रेटरी तो जर वाचत ताचेर क्लियरली मेन्शन केला की 22 तारखेक जाल्ले इन्सिडेंटाचेर 24 जुनाक ताका DGP ऑफिसान आफोवन हाडटा आनी ताका थ्रेटन करता हांकां हेल्प करूंक ना म्हणून. आनी 22 तारखेक DGP स्टेटमेंट करता की पुलीस सारके कितें ते कार्यवाही करतली म्हणून. पण आज कितें भायर सरलें हातून की DGPच भितर इन्वॉल्ड आसलो. आमी मागणी करता की DGPक गोवा गव्हर्मेंटान इमिजिएटली रिलीव करचो. DGPक इमिजिएटली सस्पेंड करचो आनी DGPचेर हे केसीन को अक्यूज्ड म्हणून FIR रजिस्टर करची.
6-7 years since the DGP was there, different types of crimes have happened, drug related, murders, different type robberies, and people were saying why the police are not acting. Probably the police were being forced not to act. All this has to be brought in out in the open, and if nothing happens, I will be forced to raise this matter in the parliament.
My demand stands fully vindicated on these issues now. Future कितें करपाचें हांव सांगता. I will demand that the Chief Minister should immediately relieve the DGP from his post. I also demand that the government of Goa should put the DGP as an abettor to this crime. I also demand that the matter be handed over to CBI for investigation because there are high players involved, and I demand that all the call details between those named in that statement of the PI should be immediately obtained, and I think their handsets also should be seized.
आज अक्षरशः धजा उडयल्ली आसा. सरकारान धजा उडयल्ली आसा. पुलीस ऑफिसरान DGP इज द हायस्ट रँकिंग इन गोवा आनी हो DGP असले करपाक लागला म्हळ्यार आयज उरला कितें. वालोर त्या ऑफिसराक PI जो प्रशल देसाय वालोर तेका कितें तेणी आतां एक्सपोज केला. मे बी तेज्या आंगार येताले म्हणून तेणी काडले आनी DGP कडेन आतां DGPन हेजेर स्टेटमेंट दिवपाची गरज आसा. हांव DGPचे प्रत्येक फावटी ट्वीट पळयतालो पण आतां ट्वीट बीन कांयच ना. ओग्गी आसात म्हळ्यार हेतून कळून येता सगळो फेलियर जाल्ले आसा. सगळे डिपार्टमेंट फेल जाल्ले आसात.
चीफ मिनिस्टरान त्या वेळार स्टेटमेंट केलो की आमी क्रायम ब्रांचा अंतर्गत हेजो इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन करतले. पूण आमची तरी मागणी आसा की क्रायम ब्रांच कोणाचो फायनली इट इज अ पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट आनी जे एलिगेशन चल्लां की पुलीस वन ऑफ द हायेस्ट रँकिंग ऑफिसर ऑफ पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट इज इनवॉल्ड इन दीस इश्यू जाल्यार ते क्रायम ब्रांच कशें इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन करतले तो एक मोठो प्रश्न आसा. त्या खातीर हो जो इश्यू आसा हो आतां प्रत्येक गोंयकाराचो इश्यू जाल्लो आसा. प्रत्येक गोंयकाराचो स्वाभिमानाचो प्रश्न जाल्लो आसा. त्या खातीर आमची तरी मागणी आसा की हे जे इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन आनी जेची इन्क्वायरी तर जातली सारकी तर खरो चीफ मिनिस्टर तर खरो सिरियस आसा आनी ताजे कडेन होम मिनिस्टर पोर्टफोलियो आसा तो तर खरो सिरियस आसा इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन प्रॉपर आनी फेर जावपाक जाल्यार तेणी रिटायर्ड हायकोर्ट जजा अंडर कमिटी बसोवपाची आनी इन्क्वायरी करची.
आज एक्शन जी जाता कोणा हाका धरलो ताका धरलो म्हणून जायना. कोणे एक्च्युअल इन्स्ट्रक्शनां दिल्ली मोड म्हणून खंयचो पुलीस ऑफिसर गुंडा बरोबर उबो रावंक शकता घर म्हणपाक आनी ते बायलेक जे कितले पयशे मेळ्ळा तिका नॅरको एनालिसीस करची. ती पसून म्हज्या मनान कित्याक आयल्या न्ही तिजेरूय आतां म्हाका डावट येवपाक लागला. ती सडनली आयली कित्याक म्हज्या मनान तिका पसून आनी धाडले आसतली. ती पसून हांचे बरोबर आसतली कित्याक आसूंक शकना. मे बी शी इज ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ दीस गेम. कित्याक रोखडीच सेटल जाली कशी आनी म्हज्या मनान येवन जालें कितें व्हडलें. हांवें फकत प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेतलें.
Due to incessant rains that lashed across Goa on Thursday, resulted in flooding at Margaon. The roads of Margaon were filled with rainwater with no way for the water to exit. Speaking on the issue, Fatorda MLA Vijay Sardesai said the floods were the side effects of the Western Bypass not being built on stilts. He also inspected the flooded areas in and around Fatorda.
Bypass on stilts, Banawaleche section करपाचो आमचो डिमांड कित्याक आशिल्लो. We didn't want low-lying paddy fields to be filled. हे आमकां असो एक भंय दिसतालो की थंय जर बाणावलेची पॅडी फिल्ड्स भरून बायपास केलो जाल्यार रिवर्स फ्लो उदकाचो जातलो. जो उदक भरून हांगाच्यान ड्रेन आवट जावपाक जाय आनी रिवर्स हांगान वचपाक जाय तें उदक एक कडेन ब्लॉक जावन टायड जशी जाता हाय टायड येता तेन्ना ते परते रिवर्स येवपाक लागतले. आज तुमकां दिश्टी पडटा पळय उदक कशें फ्लो जाता तें. उदक एम्प्टी जावंक जाय न्ही. आतां पावस काय पडना तो उदक कित्याक तुंबून आहा. उदक तुंबून इतल्या खातीर आहा की थंय हाय टायड जाली जाल्यार उदक रिवर्स फ्लो जावपाक लागता. आनी आमचे मतदारसंघात जो एक रुरो अर्बन मतदारसंघ जंय शेतकरी आहा बट येट इट इज अ सिटी. ह्या मतदारसंघात शेतकरी शेत रोयतात. आतां आमी मॅन्युअर वांटपाचें आहा कळ्ळें तुका न्ही. मॅन्युअर वांटतना शेत रोवप खंय लोकांनी. हें हांव शेत रोयता म्हजेंच. लास्ट टायम हांवें ब्लॅक रायस म्हणटा तो रोयिल्लो. सगळो एन्टायरली इनंडेड जावन ब्लॅक रायस पेड्यार जालो. मागीर हांवें डॉन बॉस्कोच्या फादराक धरून ते हांवें ट्रान्सप्लांटींग करून जया रोयलें. आज परते हांवें पळय ब्लॅक रायस थंय रोयिल्लो आहा. परते यू विल सी दॅट इट होल थिंग इज इनंडेड. आनी आमी WRDन आनी प्रायवेटली ड्रेन हांगाच्यान एंड मेरेन आमी ड्रेन केल्ली आहा नाला केला. सो सगळे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चराक एक्चुअली आमी पयसो मोडला पूण इतलें आसून पसून रिवर्स फ्लो जाता. सो आतां हो रिवर्स फ्लोचे खातीर हांवें डिपार्टमेंटाच्या ऑफिसरांकूय आपयले WRDचे. कित्याक आय बिलीव WRD इज द डिपार्टमेंट दॅट हॅज टू फॅसिलिटेट फार्मर्स टू डू एग्रीकल्चर बाय प्रोवायडींग देम वॉटर. आतां ड्रेनिंग ऑफ द वॉटर इज ऑल्सो देअर जॉब. सो डिसिल्टिंग जें ताणें आमच्या मतदारसंघान हे खेपे बरें केलां. पूण आमकां डावट आहा की हें जें रिवर्स फ्लो जाता हाजे खातीर शेतकऱ्यांक हे वर्सा रोवपाक मेळचें ना.
Mohit Kharangte for Herald TV.
A tree collapsed on a car and a truck at Dando, Sangay on Thursday evening due to heavy rains and strong winds. Fortunately, no injuries were reported, but the car was totally damaged. Kurchere Fire Brigade team reached the spot and began clearing the tree. Firefighters took 12 hours to clear the area.
हांव आतां दांडू सांगे भागाक आनी म्हाजे फाटल्यान पळोवंक शकता एक झाड पडोन कार तशीच एक ट्रक जो आसा हेजी डॅमेज जाल्ली आसा. गाडी खंय तरी रिवर्साक येतात ना हें झाड पडले कारणान जे ड्रायव्हर आसा तो देवान खंय तरी वाचलेलो आसा. आनी आतां पळोवंक शकता कुर्चडे फायर ब्रिगेड जे कर्मचारी आसा ते हांगा झाड काडपाक येयल्ले आसात आनी झाड काडप चालू आसा. तशेंच हे झाड पडले कारणान जे कुर्चड्यार सांग्या येवपाचे जे गाडी आसा ते खंय ब्लॉक जाल्ले आसा. आनी तशेंच लायटीचे खूब डॅमेज जाला. लायटीची जी मेन वायर आसा ती तुटलेली आसा. तशेंच जे ओनर आसा हे भागाचो तेजे झाडाचो तर तेजें म्हणणें आसा की हे झाडाचे नंबर घालून गेले तशें बाकीच्याय झाडाचे नंबर घालून गेल्ले पूण अजून पर्यंत ही झाडां कापले नासल्या कारणान आतां पावस पडल्या कारणान ही झाडां पडलेली आसा. आतां सद्या 3 दीस जाले ही झाडां पडपाचे जे हें आसा तें चालूच आसा. आनी आतां पळोवंक शकतात सगळे ब्लॉक जाल्ले आसा. पूण प्रशासन केन्ना जागो जातलो हें आमकां खबर ना कारण नंबर घातलेले आसा पूण झाडां अजून मारना. तशीच आनी खूब झाडां आसात मारपाची. हेजेर सरकारान दखल दिवपाची गरज आनी जाता तितले बेगीन ही झाडां मारपाची गरज आसा.
तुजी गाडी
म्हजी गाडी
ओके कितें जालें कशें झाड पडलें.
चाय म्हणून येयलो मरे च्या बीन भायर सरता वचपाक त्या वचपाक तेन्ना फाटल्यान गाडी आलो म्हणून रावलो मातशें तितल्या झाडां येयले वयले सामके गाडी सान भरपूर डॅमेज जाली. सालवार आमी हांव बाय सालवार बरी.
ओके कोण कोण आसलेले बायल भुरगे
बाय आमगेले कांय जावना बरें जालें कोणाकूय स्टुडंट बायलेचे मातशें पडले कांय जालें ना ताका.
आतां तेंची कंडिशन कशी सारकी बरी आसा ती
बरें काम बरें कांय जालें ना.
सो हें झाड पडपाचें जे आतां काम पावसाक झाड पडटात खंय तरी नंबर घातले झाड
बरें घायलो झाडाच्या.
सो तुका कितें सांगपाक सोदता हे सरकाराक.
सरकारान झाड रस्त्यार पडपाचें उडयचें घालपाचें फर्स्ट टायम
हे तुमचे प्रॉपर्टी भितर झाड आसलेले आनी आतां पडलेले आहा. सो तुमी हेजे पयलीं जी कंप्लेन केल्ली आहे झाडाची
ते ऑलरेडी गव्हर्मेंटान तेंचे मार्किंग करून गेल्ले 2 वर्स पयलीं.
आतां कितें डॅमेज जालें तुमचे पडून ते
ऑलमोस्ट कॅबिन फूल डॅमेज जाला गाडयेचें.
ओके तुमी हेजे पयलीं कोणाक सांगलेलें मारात म्हणून बेगीन पावस.
मारान तेजे ऑलरेडी नंबर घातले पळय ह्या माडाचेरूय नंबर घातले आहा त्या माडाचेर नंबर घातले आहा.
सो तूं हे बाकीचीं झाडां तशींच आसा सो तूं कितें सांगपाक सोदता.
आनी पळय तो कोण पणसूच असो आहा.
ओके
गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिशियल न्हिदल्या सगळे कोण हें आहा पळय ते सगळे न्हिदल्या. ते फकत 30 तारखे फकत पेमेंट घेवपाक काम करता आनी कांयच करना.
सो तूं कितें सांगूंक सोदता तांकां हे सरकाराक कितें सांगूंक सोदता ह्या झाडां बद्दल. कित्याक एक न्यूज रिपोर्ट केले पेपरार घातले कांयच आयकना. सो कितें सांगपाक सोदता.
गव्हर्मेंट जावन फेलियर जालें हांगा सद्या हांगा कांयच फायदो ना. आमदाराचो हांगा कांयच फायदो ना.
Gaurish Sattarkar for Herald TV.
In a big relief for villagers, the Forest Department finally rescued the crocodile spotted at the Wellsound Fields on Thursday from the Wellsound Lake. MLA Anton Vaz appreciated the Forest Department and urged people to inform him of any animal sighting in the area. Social worker Rocosino D'Souza said people must cooperate with the Forest Department instead of accusing them. He further stated that the villagers and Punch members worked very hard to capture the crocodile. Meanwhile, Forest Officer Julio Quadro said people must learn to live in harmony with wild animals.
Yesterday we got a call from the villagers saying that there is a crocodile, and we managed to rescue it, and we will release it in its natural habitat. And one simple message to the villagers of Wellsound, Pale, we should learn to live with the harmony with these wild animals also.
वायट जास्त फुडें फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंटान तेंचे तिकेब घालून आज ते राती ते पडले आनी हांव आमच्या MLAकूय देव बरें कर म्हणटा तो खंयच्या आकांता वेळार तो पावता आनी आज एक पीस जालो हिंगा मातशें आमगे फार्मर्स सगळे बेजार आसले म्हणजे आमी शेतान देंवनाय आनी पोतून आमकां कितें जातलें आनी हाय कितें तशें पूण एक जरी हें मेळ्ळो की तें आतां दिश्ट पडलें सो हांव फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंटाक गार्जंतान देव बरें कर म्हणटा मिस्टर जुलियो क्वाद्रुसाक ताणें बरो एफोर्ट केलो काल सकाळीं येयलो तो आनी मागीर सांजे जेवून आसतना इतले पावसान ताच्या स्टाफान जेन्ना आमचो MLA येयलो ताणें तांकां रिक्वेस्ट केलो आनी मागीर न्हू तेणी ती एकय बाण गायली आनी रात्या म्हळ्यार ताका आमकां तें आज मेळ्ळें पूण हांव सांगूंक सोदतां कितें जेन्ना गव्हर्मेंट ऑथॉरिटीज आमचें काम कितें तांकां हेल्प करपाचें कित्याक आमी काल सांजेर पासून रावले हिंगा आनी तांकां तो वेस्ट हाडपाक आनी कितें करपाक आमचो गांवचो लोक आमचे भाव भयण भोंवन तो वेस्ट बी हाडून दिलो कित्याक आमी तरी कॉपरेट केलें जायत न्हू तांकां इजी जाता ह्यो वस्तू करपाक आमकां तेंचेर उलोवपाक जाता ते फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट कितें करता गव्हर्मेंट कितें करता पूण आमचें कितलें कंट्रिब्युशन आहा दॅट इज इम्पॉर्टंट आमी सकाळीं आसले ते सांजेर पासून आमी हिंगा आहाय.
In a pioneering move, the Municipal Council of Murmugaon MMC has initiated Geographic Information GI mapping of houses in Vasco da Gama, becoming the first municipality in South Goa to undertake such a comprehensive project. The project aims to create a detailed digital map of all residential properties in Vasco, providing a precise geospatial database. This will facilitate various municipal functions including property tax, management, infrastructure development and emergency response planning.
ओपन जाल्लो तुमी पळयलें HPCLचे आमी पयरूच आमचे पयशे मेळ्ळे तशेंच आतां GI मॅपिंग आमचे रेकॉर्ड आमचे 33,000 हावजीस आमकां आसा पूण बाकीचे रेकॉर्ड ना इवन दो हिंगा बेस्ट थिंग कितें आसा आमची जी प्रॉपर्टी जी नेवीची आसा आमकां एंट्री करूंक मेळना आमकां खबर ना कितले फ्लॅट्स आसा ते पूण हितून इन्क्लुडींग सेंट्रल प्रॉपर्टी जी आसा नेवी आसूं रेल्वे आसूं जे आमच्या लिस्टान ना दे आर नॉट पेइंग एनीथींग पूण ते आतां हितून अंडर येतले बिकॉज डायरेक्टली मिनिस्ट्रीसून येता म्हटल्यार आमकांय बरें आसलें बा आमकां आतां फंडाचो एक तर हें बरें भशेन जालें हांव इतलें सांगता बा सगळ्या कावन्सिलरांनी एक आपणाचो भाग म्हणून आपणाचो वांटो म्हणून सगळ्यांनी भाग घेवन आपणाच्या वॉर्डान करपाक जाय इवन MLA मिनिस्टर आसून तेंच्यांनी हातभार लावपाक जाय खंयच आमी चुकपाक ना खंय तरी आमकां म्युनिसिपालिटी आमची स्थिर दवरपाक जाय आमची एरिया आमकां बरी दवरपाक क्लीन दवरपाक जाय हेतून आमकां हातभार लावंक पडटलो आनी बरी गजाल आसा खूबच वर्सां जालीं आमी असले आमकां रेकॉर्डाक कांय मेळना आतां सुरवात जातली आनी म्युनिसिपालिटी बरें हेचेर मार्गार लागतली.
So this has resulted in a revenue leakage for the municipality and that's why they cannot even be self-sufficient. The whole purpose is to make them self-sufficient. So we are conducting a GIS-based survey to bring all the structures, both authorized and unauthorized, in the gambit or tax ambit, also for service charges. Okay. So with this kind of exercise, everything will be transparent. Public will be able to see that. It will be displayed onto the One Goa-based map. Okay. And this accountably and transparently, which will be actually initiated and will be implemented over here. So that's the purpose. More important, we'll be able to get the tax and they'll be able to have a better control over the tax reforms, management of the taxes. That is the main purpose and the whole exercise, including garbage captures. Also, future we are planning to link that with my construction license model. Any encroachments future and all that can be also trapped at that very point.
And in some sports news, Founders Cup 2024 Under-17 Boys 9-a-side inter-school football tournament organized by Union of Shishini Villages and played on the Shishini Church ground. In a thrilling match, Regina Maritime High School Asolna defeated Mount Mary's High School Chinchini by 1-0.
In the inaugural match of the Founders Cup 2024, Regina Martyram High School Asolna triumphed over Mount Mary's High School Chinchanim with a narrow 1-0 victory, thanks to an important goal scored by Dunstan Fernandez in the 15th minute of the second half. The first half saw a powerful shot by Godfrey Simos, which was well saved by Regina's goalkeeper, keeping the score at 0-0 at halftime. In another match, Manovika School defeated St. Anne's High School Agonda with a 3-0 scoreline. Abner Vega scored the first goal in the 10th minute, followed by goals from Ruben Barreto and Nathaniel Lobo. Despite St. Anne's efforts to equalize in the second half, Manovika's defenders stood strong. The tournament was inaugurated by chief guest Father Christopher Fernandez. Inacio for Herald TV.
Kumborda Sports Club got the better of Palde Sports Club 4-1 via the tiebreaker to enter into the next round of the first Saniza Peixoto Memorial Football Tournament. The thrilling match was played at St. Alex Church Ground, Kurtuni, and was organized by the Akshay Sports Club on Thursday.
The match started on a promising note, but heavy rains began within the first 5 minutes, causing waterlogging across the ground. Both teams had equal opportunities to score, but the weather hindered their attempts. Diago of Paldem unleashed a long-range shot, which was punched away by Kumborda's goalkeeper Johnson Bagat. Later, Mirik of Kumborda narrowly missed a header from the box. In the second session, Kumborda's Roy, Benson, and Veron made several attempts to score, while Benny, Sebi, and Godwin excelled for Paldem. At full time, the score remained 0-0, leading to a penalty shootout to decide the winner. In the tiebreaker, Kumborda scored through Mirik, Sam, Veron, and Maxon, while Paldem's Favio found the net. Godwin Mascarenhas of Paldem Sports Club was awarded Man of the Match by Connie Peixoto, Vice President of the club. Inacio for Herald TV.
That's all we have in this newscast. For more news and updates, follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. Thanks for watching Herald TV. Take care and goodbye.